100-man police, me have a job for you. Because when you up in a Reed Spin and Brayton Meadows, and me hear say Jason, are you patrol Central Village? Now, you have some top badman police, you understand? Me hear say, up in a Central Village, a phone thing up there so, a phone division. So I want to know if Tom's, Inspector Tom's, and the 100-man them police, see them there in front of you. I want to know if you don't hear what happen. You don't hear what happen in a Central Village. Only can make them little dirty stinking corner boy there. Them bottom feeder. Only can make them bottom feeder. Bottom feeder me call them, you know. Only can make them bottom feeder there. I kill off the people them. Eh? So yeah what? Me have a job for you, you know. And me a call you out on this because you can't tell me say you don't know what's going on down there. I want you to listen to this and then me a go show you some people picture where me here say responsible for this and yo B, me a ask 100-man police to go down in a that.
All too familiar yellow tape drawn sometime before 2 Tuesday morning on 1st Avenue, Central Village, St. Catherine. Police and fire personnel were called to the scene where a 3-bedroom house was firebombed. The bodies of 4 people were then discovered. According to Divisional Commander for the St. Catherine Fire Brigade, Superintendent Dennis Lyon, firefighters were called to the area about 1:45. He says 14 firefighters and 2 units were dispatched to the scene.
During the firefighting operation, observation were made of the bodies of 3 individuals on the veranda of the dwelling house. After the cooling down operation and the team entered the building, a 4th body was found in the bathroom.
The identities of the deceased are yet to be released, but it's understood that they're a woman, her 2 daughters, and her grandson. Within the same space, there was a similar incident earlier. According to reports, at about 4:10 Monday morning, a man was fatally shot and his house firebombed.
When the brigade arrived at the scene, the body of a male was seen behind the building during the firefighting operation. That person was not burnt, however. That body was found behind the burning building.
It's believed the men who did the killing also shot and injured another woman in a different section of the community. TVJ News has since learned she was shot in the face and is in hospital in serious condition.
Now this murder, caught my attention. And it caught my attention because of the kids them that's involved in this. And it really pissed me off. So what I did, I started doing my investigation. Now that made me come up with a genius idea, because 100-man police is in that zone. And Jason them and the 100-man police, them want some work to do. Well, look on them youth here. You understand? And this right here is courtesy of J Crazy. You understand? Big up yourself, vlogger. Countryman said that. Now, them 2 blood clot youth here, them involved in the killing. So my question is, how come the police them don't know this? Eh? And everybody else know this. Now them 2 clown here, Zombie and blood clot Dada boy, are some years to them name, are them and about 5 to 6 other man going to the community and kill off the people them. Them kill the 2 little baby and the 2 women them. And you want tell me say the people them in a Central Village and the police them just kick back. Them for go for them little blood clot pussy, you know. You understand? And that me I tell 100 man, you know. Zombie boy and the boy Dada boy. How can them boy they I walk free after what them do? Now, what may I say? All the information the writer say, you know. Because J Crazy make it be known. You understand? You have the boy where they are prisoner named Dinardo or Ricardo. He might give the order. You understand? Now, you have the Immortal gang and you have another gang around boat round the so. You want to tell me say 100 man police, the baddest set of police in a St. Catherine, who not gonna make 2 little kids dead right under on the nose in on the lap and 2 female and we not do nothing about it. We know say a Dogman I run the thing up the so. You know say that little pussy up on the right. A Dogman family, and if you can have dirty bottom feed of them can go into a community, you understand? Lock up the people them grill, kill them in them house, lock up the house and burn it down. And then you have people who live in the fucking community in Central Village who knows that this shit was gonna happen. And them sit down there like some big stinking blood clot pussy hole. You have the lady get shot in her face. You understand? And me here say it start from that. And then you have the man who dead and them burn down them house. And then now boom, them come and do this dog. And when the thing say una have a good neighborhood, yo, them a go kill off the whole of una in that bomber clot if you not give up them boy there. Cause me know say people in a Central Village I hide them pussy a dog. Me a call upon the new police commissioner, Mr. Blake, to do something about this, yo. This happen and you don't hear no blood clot uproar in Jamaica, dog. It's just like something, it's just like another day. How can you police be a police? All the bad man police them in a St. Catherine. All I should have depend fucking Central Village and compound. I did something for there. You understand? 100 man police, please me I beg you now. Jason, you don't want work, see some work here. Go up there and stamp out them boy here. Cause me know how you not work, you know. You see the JCS, them take on a certain kind of practice now. Them a move well not so much Jason them, but like the special operations, them a deal with it like how America deal with terrorists, you know. Them get intel and then them do surgical strikes. You understand? Well, at that they need to do with this. Jason, Mackay, between them, the policeman them, 100 man police, please, me dip on my knees, me I beg you now. Go up a compound, go up a Central Village, and go scream out them boy a dog, them a bottom feeder. Cause when me see this, you know, me I say, where the fuck I go on a Central Village? Every now and then me have a little thing. But this, you think me I go live in a community like that? And when this them thing happen in a people community, people are live in a fear. And them can't move go away, them office stay there so, and them a live underneath fear 24/7. No wonder we can't reach now in our country. Now me hear certain vloggers that say Jamaica will be like 80. One thing I tell you now, Jamaica will never be like blood clot 80. You understand? We too smarter than that. We will never allow our country to become like 80. If that's the case, you understand? The people them should take up arms and we form vigilante groups. We form vigilante groups So if the police don't want to protect us, we have a form vigilante groups. You understand? And run out the blood clot bottom feeder them out of the neighborhood. And that me I say. So listen, Dogman, me hear say you get deep and come back. You understand? And from you come back in the place, me hear say I pay your fuckery. Now see this go on. Me go find, me go dig in some more, cause like me say, me do so much videos, me can't do video on everything. So sometimes, when something cross my eye, you understand, me have to do my investigation, my research, and put it together. And when me I put together is, you have them little pussy out there, so Immortal and the next gang. It then on my mind, me can't remember it right now. You understand? Them a war and I kill blood clot innocent people and I kill baby. Yo, if them boy they come to jail for kill baby, yo, the man in a jail for get rid of them in a dog. And me I beg the police force, me I beg 100 man. Do the job, do this and show on the motion, dog. 100 man, police, Portmore, show me on the motion, dog. On the can't make this go down in a jurisdiction. Una go look like pussy. You understand? Una kill off man and the right set a man they want to go kill. Them they in a central village. A central village una fi there. Yo, the 2-day curfew now go work. Unlimited powers. Go in there go kick off some door. Una go kick off some man door, dog. Police, wanna go kick off the man them door, yo. That me I tell you now, that wanna fi do. Yo, me have a problem with this when me see blood clot 4-year-old baby a dead dog. Me not care nobody want to say no. Oh, this is very upsetting. This one, you barely see the news in the blood clot Jamaican newspaper to rascal. You barely see the vlogger them a talk about it, you know. All them a talk about a Vibes Cartel. And them a talk about this, them a talk about the girl pretty, the girl and man pretty Dada. And them thing a me a talk about, when me see them thing happen in my country, them thing a hurt me, dog. And you see me, certain boy will say them a bad man. If a boy ever come to me and say him a bad man, and Ray, me a go give him a task. Me not go talk about the task when me a give him life pan yaso. But believe me, I not fi kill no poor people or ghetto people. But the task we me go give him, and you say if them can't carry out that task there, I kill me a blood clot kill them. That's why any pussy will step to me about blood clot badness. Just know say you have to ready for war, dog. You understand? Cause any boy threaten me, I kill me a blood clot kill them, especially at Jamaica. All I do, I kill off the poor innocent blood clot people them. And talk about una blood clot bad man and una scammer. You see that boy there named Dogman? Pussy. With your long blood clot dreadlocks. Me a come for you. All them pussy both him name Zombie. A the worst blood clot name, yo. The man them a go turn you in a blood clot zombie, yo. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great countryman. Now, look at the screen in front of you. We have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada. And it is in association with 6 Degrees. Now, check out the new YouTube channel. The link is down below. It's called Countryman Canada, and you can also click on the WhatsApp group, cause I set back up the WhatsApp group and y'all could join. So remember, check out Countryman Canada, the new YouTube channel that brings you all of the knockies, the clappies, the new term I use, bottom feeder, that's in Canada, and we're gonna give it to you, the facts, and make you know what's going on. Check it out. Me say, me a call upon the police commissioner. And me a call upon the gangster them dog. Yo, them thing a go on in a St. Catherine. Me a call upon the clansman them. Me a call upon the other man them dog. Only can't make them thing a happen in the community dog. Me no give a fuck. The boy them will do this. Only need to move them up. So me a call upon the police. Me a call upon the gangster them. You understand? And me a call upon the citizen. You no have to move them boy up or kill off them people ya dog. It no look good. It no look good. You understand? Do. Me a beg you no. It no look good. It no look good. You have 4 people dead. 2 women and a fucking 2 child. And the man them a go say them a bad man. Any boy me send go do all the works and them go kill my baby. I turn in on a bomb clot or kill me, you know. If you know go turn in on a bomb clot self. I dead or not dead, you know. You think you want a baby killer around me? And me have a blood clot young son, me have a mother, a woman killer. Only for go for the people them. Where I fuck with you know. We not kill innocent blood clot people. That's why me no respect Jamaican bad man dead. Them a kill baby. Them a yo. Una some set a blood clot pussy. And me a call upon the clansman them. Cause una have the biggest thing, the one order, me no care. Labor right gang, PMP gang. Me know where I go on with this thing ya. Una need to team up and get rid of them boy ya. And that me I tell on the dog. The police. The big bad police them. 100-man police. Please, me I beg you now. All sort of thing I go on in that little space the dog. Witness I get killed. Them are looking at people phone. You have man I got people yard you know. Looking in their phones. Can you imagine? I think as your fucking phone is your privacy. No, your phone is a part of your blood clot life. And you have some little dirty pussy. Some bottom feeder niggas. You understand? I go come, knock your door and want to search your phone. And that is privacy. Not even police can search your phone. You don't believe what's going on in Jamaica in 2024? And we are going to take that moving forward on a madna bomba clot. Yo, me a call upon the police force, 100 man, me a call upon the new commissioner. To find them pussy and stamp them out dog. You understand? Me a call upon the gangs. To find the gang them will do this. The Immortal me hear them name a call and there's another gang. Me can't remember them bomba clot name, but me I go remember it. You understand? Them thing there, for done. We can't live like this dog. Only go live in our community and make some man come kill off the people them like that. And because uno not dead, uno say, alright, me safe man, nothing happen to me. Me alright man, them not come touch me. We not have nothing to do with it. Yeah? You can live in our community like that and them do such a vicious attack upon the neighbor and you feel safe. Only better team up and talk where I go on, cause we know where I go on. See the man them picture here, you know. Cause J Crazy tell we, you know. And when me see J Crazy vlogging a dog, I say listen. Me I go investigate some more into this Immortal blood clot gang and them pussy. Then me hear Dogman name, see name a pop up. I call couple man. Them say yeah man a Dogman we know about this and him just get deep. You understand? Dogman, at this you have your brethren them, your crew of the dog. If I this una do una big pussy, and me I tell you, yo, me hear say Dogman you have all police link, you know. But me don't care. Me I go flush out on a bomber clot. Me I go flush out on a pussy clot. And show you say, yo, countryman nah blood clot joke we don't know. When you think a joke me I make, you understand? Me I go send blood clot police up in that bomber clot. Cause me know some big man police. Me just want certain little thing. Yo people, if you don't have any information, call me and give me the information. Cause me know a couple blood clot police. Me serious. And me I call upon the 100-man police. Cause me know so 100-man police listen to me. Wanna go up there? Send me the information, yo. We have to solve that one, yeah. Or get rid of them boy, dog. Straight up. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. But people, when they can't make them boy come and do this in the neighborhood and get away with it. Me no care which gang. You understand? The whole of them are pussy. You understand? I kill off poor people. So, yo, me I call upon clansman, the police, then me I call upon everybody to push out them pussy. I'm out, yo. And more is coming up on this.